Happy Tech Thursday. This is an Atari unboxing. One of the plus sides of having a birthday near Christmas is sometimes I get some bonus presents early. I was very excited to see the Atari. I am one of the OG Atari users of the 2600, and I've been thinking about how to reclaim and reuse an old Atari, which isn't working out so good. But then I saw this nice, sleek unit that's hooked up by USB-C that has wireless remotes, which for Atari were never a thing, which always meant closeness to the screen was a big thing. These ones are battery operated, though I thought they'd be USB-C chargers, but they're not. Anyways, the interaction is fabulous. It's got all the fabulous cover art, which, as all of us will remember, so much better than the actual gameplay, but always seem to tell a story. And all the classic games, Asteroids, Centipede, Yard's Revenge, and so many more. Well worth it, a lot of fun. My son and I have enjoyed a couple two-player games, and of course one player just as good. So have fun with Atari's newest version.